These travelers have come a long way, and they deserve a good story. So, we're gonna do this the way we do everything. Together. Now, it all started with...
Moreland met a flea-tail named Dory! No, when they found that map.
No. When they escaped those sharks that were scary. No.
Nope. It all started with a little clownfish named Nemo.
Nemo!
Dad, it's time for school!
All right, we're excited. It's your first day of school, Nemo. You're ready to learn? To get some knowledge.
Come on! Hey, Dad, wouldn't it be cool if I maybe met a shark when I'm at school?
No,
Or if this is today.
I don't think so.
Can you believe there are so many things in the big blue world? I'm gonna go explore in the big blue world that I've never seen before. So many creatures swimming around the sea in the big blue world, and all of them are waiting for me.
That's what I'm afraid of.
Hey, Dad, do you know who sea turtles are?
Sea turtles. If I ever meet one, I'll ask him.
Me too. Maybe I'll meet a sea turtle. It's a shark!
I know you're excited, but let's take a little pause. Sharks are not our friends, Nemo. Haven't you seen Jaws? You don't want to meet a swordfish. You don't want to meet a whale.
I want to meet a whale.
You need me around to watch your tail in the big blue world. You're just a little fish in the big blue world. Be seen as a tasty dish. You mean so much to me. I don't know what I would do
to swim here.
We were looking for Nemo. You were showing me which way the boat went.
A boat. I've seen a boat. Follow me.
Wait. We already did this.
We did? Oh dear. I guess I should explain. I got this problem with my brain. Things get really scrambled in my head. I have short-term memory. I forget things almost instantly. I'm not even sure what I just said. May I help you?
There is something wrong with you, really. You're wasting my time. I have to find my son.
Chico?
Nemo.
Well, hi.
I'm Fritz.
Well, I'm Dory, and this is
Listen now, we were just leaving.
I'd like to invite you, mortals, to a little party I'm having. What you bring for us vanquish army. Right then, our meeting has officially come to order. Let us all sign a pledge. Fish our friends. Fish our friends. Not so. Now we have lost our day. We are Sunday. We fish our friends. Not so. Sometimes without. Sure we could eat you up. But we have self-control. We fish our friends. Not so. I'd like to be your friend. That's stress of life in the end. Lead to emotional easy. When you need help, get through it. And count does not do it. Gotta stop feeding. Switch to love feeding. Hurry as we see the light. Each time we fight the fight. Take care of our empty sight. Franchise our attitude. Fish our friends. Fish our friends. Fish our friends. Fish our friends. No, fish our friends. Not them. Mine, your sister, you wouldn't want him to pop.
really close to me there.
I am sorry. Oh, is your nose bleeding? Oh, that's good. It's coming!
And stop it. That's so the face is scary.
You can read.
I can't read the map.
I'm good. You may sign that thought. I'm already finished. Shut up! Not fair. Is it safe? Well, we've made it to the best part of the story. Where I come in.
Honey, this is where we all come in.
That's right. This is the part where Nemo arrived at the dentist. Our cake was just a pit stop. The little guy was a present for the dentist's niece, Darla.
She's a fish killer. She shakes us down.
Nah, we weren't gonna let him go belly up. I had a plan. Hey kid, you'll get back to your dad. I've been watching you. You're small enough to break us free.
But I don't swim well. I got a bad fin.
One bad fin has never stopped me.
Your escape plans never work, Gil.
But this time, we got him. I promise we will all get out as long as we can swim together. We swim together. Cooperation is the secret to our success.
Yeah.
We swim in harmony.
And we starting to
We just had to find another way. Remember, all drains lead to the ocean. Speaking of the ocean, Nemo's dad was still out there trying to find him.
Yeah, but there was one big problem.
That mask is gone. That was the only chance I had of finding my son.
Harpo?
Nemo.
Mr. Grumpy Hills.
Life's full of little spills. Don't throw your fins up in disgust. Oh, what's the use of floating there, not going anywhere? Finish your tail and dive on in, and trust that if you just keep swimming, life isn't all that grim. Just keep swimming, What do we do?
We swim.
What?
Now that's all got stuck in my head.
There's a shiny thing?
Please, Dory, try to stay on task.
It's a peach here in 42 on the Beanway City. I heard nothing.
No, Dory, that's the map.
Yes, we did.
Yeah, but now what? We don't know how to get there.
Follow our gut.
But
Keep swimming, everything will be okay. Just keep swimming, your tail and turn up, find our way. Oh, sometimes things look bad, then poof, the moment is gone. And what do we do?
we just keep swimming on. Oh, hello there. I'm looking for my son, Nemo. He's got clownfish. I'm looking for my son. He's got a lucky fish. Oh, please, no, I need help. I'm crazy. Hey, sir, have you seen a boat? Not you, Dory. Hey, lady, this is Jack bothering you.
Well, I don't remember. Were you?
No. She doesn't get to teach them at 42. Look how we're talking to the lady. Fine.
Easy on him, fellas. He lost his son, Fabio.
Nemo.
And he heard Peter before he's you Wallaby Way, Sydney.
What you want to do is follow the EAC. That's East Australian Capture. Keep swimming. Be careful, it's in that direction. Just keep swimming. That baby will float you right past Sydney. It's a big world out there. I can make my fish feel small. That's the way
We're too late.
I'm so sorry.
It's over. Nemo's gone. I couldn't. I'm going home now.
Wait, where are you going?
Dory, if it wasn't for you, I never would have made it here, so thank you.
Wait, stop. No one's ever stuck with me for so long before. Please don't go away. Please. And you are?
This is Dory! She helped me find you! I thought I lost you. I saw you belly up.
I was just pretending so they could me down the drain.
Thank goodness she's safe.
Dad, I don't hate you.
No. I am so sorry you didn't. And guess what? I met a sea turtle, and he was 150.
Wow! So tell me, Dad, what's it like to cross an entire sea?
Well, son, I don't know. Let's go home together, then you'll tell me.
Wanna make it 3?
So Nemo and his dad were finally reunited.
And it's my Nemo 3 escape. We hitched our own ride out of the tank on the Plastic Bag Express.
Yeah, and that's how we ended up here.
Yeah.
What happened when they got back home to the reef?
Well, it is release day. What do you say we go find Nemo and see for